That was fun to watch.
Here he comes.
Take that popper, honey. Take that popper.
He's looking at it.
Running of the bulls. Hang on now. There you go. Good job.
Woo, doggy. Good God. That good.
All those redfish. It's incredible. Get him on that popper, Dave. Oh yeah!
Got him.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. I bet you could stick a...
Nice job, Dave.
Oh, it was nice. You had to want it. I'm trying to get him to go this way, but he's wanting to go that way.
Football field size school of fish, maybe bigger.
Oh, he's a fresh one. Look at this boiling water. Everywhere. Look at that. That's 2 acres. He's a pretty one.
You ready? I'll come back and get that fish for you.
Oh, he's so
to do this.
copper.
I'll get him for you. We're out of here.